How are carrots processed from farms to fresh produce or salads? First, harvesting machines carefully gather the carrots from the fields and store them in storage facilities. Next step is post-harvesting. The carrots are received via dumpers, bags, big bags, or boxes, as receiving hopper acts as a buffer to feed the processing line. They pass through our finger roller or spiral roller set to pre-clean loose soil from the carrots. Any soil or debris from the carrots is carefully collected. Our cleaning unit efficiently removes any remaining foliage. Our destoner removes any stones or debris. The carrots then enter our wet hopper, where they undergo cleaning through agitation. Our washer units, both U-type and C-type, wash the carrots for optimal cleaning results. For gentle transport, the carrots are carried through water flumes. Polishing carrots gives them a premium look and feel. They are elevated to our even flow hopper, ensuring a steady flow of carrots for grading. Our length chunk grader ensures uniformity by sorting the carrots based on length. At our manual inspection units, carrots are carefully inspected for any defects or irregularities. Our radial grader sorts carrots into different grades based on diametrical size. To preserve freshness and shelf life, the carrots are cooled in our hydro cooler before packaging. Now, it's time to pack the fresh produce using weighing and packing machines. Our weighers ensure accurate portioning before the carrots are packed into different types of packaging. Now to processed carrot salads. Using a carrot dicer, the carrots are precisely cut into uniform cubes. They then undergo a quick cooling process to maintain their freshness. The air freezer rapidly freezes the diced carrots. The diced carrots pass through a color sorter to ensure consistent quality. Then they are size graded to the standard dice sizes. The diced carrots are then carefully packed into bags. Carrot salad also has different cutting options: round slices, shredded carrots, and sticks. Before packaging, our chopped carrots undergo a final wash. Carrots are packaged for fresh produce, slices, and sticks, shredded, diced, carrot puree, and juice. Allround Vegetable Processing, where technology meets quality.